Hello there, this is Amogh from Recruiterflow, and in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can create candidate segments in Recruiterflow right from the candidates page. So first things first, with the new candidate page design, what we have brought is now the advanced search is directly available for you right on the candidates page. So instead of going to advanced search and creating a segments or saved searches, you can now do that right from the candidates page. So there are three ways you can do it. So I'll walk you through each of these three ways one by one. Starting with the first way, which is you can see that there is a default segment called all candidates on top. So what you can do is quickly click on the filters icon over here, then click on add filters. Now let's say I want to create a segment wherein the office is Dunder Mifflin. So I'm just going to input contains one of Dunder. And let's say the department is accounting and sales. So I'm just going to hit on apply. So you'll see that whenever I'm applying any filters, the results are automatically shown over here. Once you're happy with the segment with all your filters, what you can do is just click on save. So you will see this window open up. You can add the name, office, folks in sales. Now you can choose who you want to share it with. Let's say you want to share it with your team. You can just select my team. And if you want to add this segment as a view on top over here, just click on this checkbox and click on save. So that will be done. You'll see that the new segment is created and already added on top over here. So this was the first way. The second way is actually you can just click on add segment over here. And then there is a link called create a new segment. So all you got to do is just click on that. You'll be taken to the same filter window over here. Click on add filters. Then you can use your same filters. And let's say I want job is set. And let me now look at another filter called relocation. So open to relocation is yes, click on apply and then click on save. Again, you will see the same window. So I'm just going to name it relocation folks, and now I'm going to share it with everyone, and I do not want to check this box. I'll just simply click on save. So you have the new segment created. You can view it over here, relocation folks. And there's a third way as well, which I'll be showing you in the next video, where I'll walk you through how you can edit a segment. See you there.